it's episode PSC, and so over here Diawampa. That's because my sister woke up the trauma and is watching watching Diawampa.
Thank goodness I found you two.
And today I have Kim the surprise eggs, and
We found the body. Now she's locked in
I heard about that one, and I know that there's like this old woman, but oh my god, this is inside you can the surprise egg. Oh my god, there's no toy. It's something bad inside you can surprise egg, and that woman's actually fake. So let's see what's inside this.
I thought I could, but it was just too hard. But, I'm okay. I've got it under control. I'm going to shots again. Listen up. Genocide
What's
and
this?
genocide and nuclear bombing.
What is this?
Open the door. None of that made any sense. What's going on here? Try and give about the next.
Why are there two of the aliens? I'm confused.
I know the idea is that I give you toddlers a chance to figure out who done it, but this is like watching paint dry. Enough shoveling your feet. It's time to trial.
Oh, I want the blue one. So it's supposed to be like a helicopter thing. We'll just put all this in here because we have to build it, and I'm holding a camera. We can't build it when we have two things in our hands. We have the chocolate. Put that over there. Now it's over this one. Diawampa! Ignore the Diawampa! What's this? What? So we have like a bunny thing. What's supposed to do this? So it's like a little ball thing. Holy crap, that's how you lost your toy. That's how you're gonna lose your toy.
The following is intended only for mature audiences. Viewer discretion advised.
I think it's not a backpack, but it looks like a backpack. But just put all this in here.
This fight is not about equality. It's about power. And I'm just getting started.
So guys, we just opened my Kinder Surprise eggs, and so far, and they're confusing, but hopefully after this video actually get it. So that was it, guys. Bye, and ignore the Diawampa!